as we saw, even just as recently as 2 years ago, there's legislation changes that changes the way that you can use these assets and pass on these assets in the future, which greatly impact your purpose for these when you were contributing and saving for these just 10 years ago, 20 years ago, 30 years ago. That means to us is that an integrated financial planning team is needed to be kept up to speed all times. So you can very quickly pivot and move around. What's the best use of this specific asset? And for Roth IRAs, I pick on that. The distribution rules for inherited Roth IRAs dictate that you must exhaust the entire Roth IRA after 10 years of receiving it. There's so much that comes into those types of decisions, let alone just market timing, which is difficult, if not impossible itself. So what makes most sense to pass this on in a thoughtful way? Or is it spent down? Or is it planning around it in a retirement plan trust? Any of them can be a good answer, but it's being able to approach this complex decision with the tax ramifications, with the estate planning ramifications, with the living expense ramifications in mind so that you're making best and highest use of every asset that you have.